When I learn English, there are some words that I like terribly, like wobbly is one of that, because it sounds like wobbly. Imagine like a panna cotta or something like gelatin that is like wobbly, wobble. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well and having a fabulous start of the week. So today what am I bringing you? I'm bringing you some floating origami pockets for your journal. So they are super cute and extremely easy to make, and if I say so guys, trust me, it is easy. So the original not the original, the concept of these pockets is an origami bookmark. So if you think that that is a pocket of your book, this goes here in the corner. Okay, so that is the gist of it. But I thought they could be transformed in fabulous pockets. So they're super easy to make. Now, I've done those three. So let me show you, because you can just put things inside. I mean, they are tiny ephemera, but you can put stamps, tags, anything that you want. So I've done these three because I was experimenting with three different sizes. So that's that. So small, medium, large. I'm not even gonna bother you to give you any sizes, because the only thing you need to worry about is to have a square. As long as it's a square, you're good to go. So it can be any sizes, could be huge, could be little tiny. Now what I wanted to share with you guys mostly was that I played with different thickness. This one here on my left, this is basically my ephemera kit that I've just printed on copy paper. So very, very thin paper. I just simply print the front and back. Okay, so you don't get a plain side, but nothing stops you. You can print on one side and have something on the other side white. It doesn't matter. But I don't like white. So I do prefer busy things. More is more, you know me well. So on this one here on the left, it's copy paper, and I must admit it's the easiest one because you do a lot of folding. Of course, it's an origami project, so you've got to do quite a lot of folding. So this paper was the best, I must admit. So this one here is what I call like a medium size. So it's like cardstock, but not thick cardstock, but still thicker than a copy paper. So kind of like a medium thickness. Okay, so it's more like printer paper, but on a thicker copy paper, if it makes sense. And the last one, these were my Tim Holtz paper. So this is basically cardstock. So I haven't got the GSM, but I want to say about 180 GSM, because it's not extremely thick either, but it's definitely thicker than this one here. I still love it because I think it came out beautifully, very vintagey. But as you can see, you know, the petal there or the flower is not perfect compared to this one here. Can you see how crisp those lines are? Those ones here are a bit wobbly. It's funny because when I learn English, there are some words that I like terribly. Like wobbly is one of that, because it sounds like wobbly. Imagine like a panna cotta or something like gelatin that is like wobbly, wobble. Blah. Anyway, oh god, right, moment. Right, what am I gonna do? In fact, let's try. I was thinking to film it and then do a speak over, because you're gonna hear a lot of noises, but then I don't dislike. Let me just have a sip of water. I don't dislike it, but it's not me. A lot of creators film the video and then voiced it over so they speak on top of it. But I personally, that's my personal opinion, I find it a bit not fake, but I'm more like spontaneous. I say things wrong, I make things wrong, I make mistakes, but that's me. I wouldn't even be bothered to change it because that's who I am. So yes, I prefer more instant, more like things that are more instant, live, if it makes sense. And yeah, even if I make a mistake, who cares? Right, square, follow me. So we're going to put the paper in this way. So you've got the two, well, there's 2 points in here, but that's straight, that's not straight. Okay. So we fold in a half, so you get first triangle. I got these challenge things on my desk that when I make noises, the camera that is attached to my desk makes an awful metallic noise, and I know you guys hate it. I can tell you I hate it more than you do, but I can't change it because I'm not allowed to drill anything on the wall because Jamie will kill me. So first diagonal score line, and we're going to do another one there. Okay, so we fold this way. There are tons and tons of these tutorial online on YouTube, so if you don't want to watch mine, feel free to go and watch somebody else's. I don't mind, as long as you're happy with what you make. Okay, so we've got 2 diagonals line. Okay, put it as it was in the beginning, so it's not on a square, it's more like on this shape. You got to fold the 2 up and down corners into the middle. So we start with this first and then rotate it, and we do that one there. Okay, till you get these shapes. Those 2 here are the flowers. Okay, so we're now doing this, so we're creating those 2 flowers. Now the easiest way to do it, if you follow this one, this way that I'm telling you now. So pull this back out again. Okay, so we're working on this line here. Okay, so we're working on this line. So what you want to do, you want to put the tip edge in there, fold it into this line there. Okay, so that's the main diagonal line, and that's what we just created when we fold the first tip inwards. Okay, so now fold it in half again, so this line here is going to go to that line there. Okay, so like this, and then we fold this back half again. Okay, then what you do, pull it all out. You got your score line, but we need to fold these flowers so that it gets the concertina effect. Okay, so this is the line again that we made when we first put the triangle in there. So fold that again and then do your concertina. So do mountain and valley, mountain and valley. But it's easy now because we already have this fold line, so we simply repeat the fold but on the other way around, if it makes sense. Okay, and that's the edge, so you get this effect. It looks complicated, guys, but it really isn't. And I'm gonna, because we're gonna do the same on the other side, I'm gonna repeat it. Okay, so turn it over so your flowers is on the top. So this is the main diagonal line. So what we did, we just fold this tip into the middle. Okay, that's what we did, and then we open it back again, and now this tip is going to this score line here, and then a half, and then last half again. Okay, and then you're just gonna open it all back again. So again, start with the original line, and then you do your concertina fold. So up, down, up, down, up, down. So up, down, up, down, or mountain valley as people call it. Okay, so you got this there. Okay, so what I need you guys to do now, rotate it so your flowers are on your right and left, and you got your 2 tips. Okay, so turn it back so your flowers are inside, so facing the desk. Okay, and then you fold those 2 up, okay, on that score line that we did earlier. So that's when you need to be a bit careful. Okay, so your flowers are still on your left and on your right. And then what you do, guys, we're almost there. This tip here is going back down there. Let me show you. So that goes here. Okay. So we got the flowers on the left, flower on the right. And then we just fold down one of the triangle. The last 2 things that we need to do now, we need to fold this triangle there. So you see this score line there, so you fold that up. Okay, so your flowers now is on the top. So we'll do it again. This tip here is going there, and that is it, guys. Ta-da! Okay, so as you can see, we got a pocket here. This is where your bookmark will go on your page, or in our case, it's our pocket. So what we need to do, guys, we just need to glue this down. So got my brush, just put some glue. And then just simply fold it down. You've got to press it for a couple of minutes. Well, a couple of minutes, 30 seconds. And what I would do with your bone folder, just go back up again to make sure it's all nice and crispy. Okay. And then what I did, I had part of this was a Secret Santa Happy Mail. Then later I found out who was from, of course, because we can't keep secret. So I had these flowers around, so I thought actually that would look quite nice if we put it in there, but you can just leave it like that, but you can decorate it. So on here I put a label and the flower. On here I just put a number. On this one, of course, it wouldn't be me without a butterfly. And then what we did, you can use a glue gun, but me and the hot glue gun are not friends. We broke up a long time ago, and since then, no, our friendship ended. So I rather use my BFF, which is the Mod Podge. I love Mod Podge. Basically use it with everything because it's such a strong glue. So what I tend to do, I put loads of it. You see how much I put it on, and then I press down the petal, or the back petal there, or the rose, so you know that they will be adhered to that paper like that. Okay, so you just need to be a bit patient for a few seconds, but yeah. Okay, so that's our pocket, and then you can just put in there. Now you can glue this on your page or the journal, or you can just leave it as a floating pocket, because what you can do, let's pretend these are the same size. I think they are the same size. I've not measured it. I swear I've not measured them. How random. I swear I did not measure it. So what you could do, you can glue 2 together, and you've got a double pocket, and maybe put like an eyelet here, and you can hang it if you wanted to. How cool is that? So you've got 2 pockets. So, and then as you can see, you can put things in there as well as in here. Okay, super simple, guys. I know it looks complicated. I'm hoping I have explained it to you clearly. Explaining things clearly is not one of the things I do well, but I'm hoping I have accomplished my mission today. Honestly, guys, you probably want to watch the video a few times, but I'm jokes apart, I'm hoping that it's clear. It looks difficult, guys, but once you start playing with it, it's actually quite straightforward. Okay, if you like this sort of videos, guys, let me know, because I do like origami and I do like to find a different end on the projects or something that is meant to do something. I like to transform into something else. I like doing that. So if you like this sort of projects, leave a comment down below, because I can do my research and showcase different types of origami projects. Guys, just give me a big thumbs up. That is my only request. It really helps the channel and really helps the video. And I will see you on Thursday, and then on Friday again with my usual weekly Friday freebie. I can't wait to show you the Friday freebie this week. I'm not gonna say a word. Right, guys, I hope you like it. If you did, again, thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.